sometimes obstructions and debris that we don't see in the mowing area can be real problems as we use our boom mower. In this particular case, it was easily taken care of, but in some cases it can cause some serious damage, and I've had at least one regular brush hog blow its brains out because customer didn't mention that there was a large piece of concrete under the 10-foot tall vegetation that he wanted me to mow. And a walkthrough, of course, didn't reveal it. When it's 10 foot tall, it's sometimes tough to see. So those are the kinds of things that have to concern a brush hog operator in trying to determine how much to charge for a job and how to operate everything safely. Still trying to get that piece out of there. Pretty long piece of heavy gauge wire. It looks like it's coming out and we're ready to roll again. Here we go. Good job by our chief mechanic there.